What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a few altcoins that are really setting up for more upward movement as they establish their uptrends. Before I get into it though, make sure that you're a subscriber to my channel as well as sharing this video with your friends so that we can get this message to as many people as possible. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So I'm going to be starting off with Dogecoin today, which by the way is popping off very hard on coinmarketcap.com. If you go check out the top movers, Dogecoin is definitely the one that's moving the most. And that's really because we broke out of a falling wedge pattern. We had this downtrending resistance for quite some time now, and then we've broken above that downtrending resistance and we're starting an uptrend up towards these higher resistance levels that were previously formed on the bear trend. So the B wave resistance should be tested, and with Dogecoin it looks like the B wave is probably somewhere right here at the top of the falling wedge pattern. So I fully expect us to start to move up towards that resistance level. You guys, that price point is just under that's 0.009 cents. And so there's quite a bit of upside left inside of Doge. I wouldn't be surprised if there's consolidation periods along the way up, but I'm definitely thinking this is just starting the uptrend with this current breakout. There was a huge accumulation period also all through this area right here, and so I really expect this accumulation inside of the wedge to result in quite a bit of upside growth. So Dogecoin isn't the only one I wanted to talk about today because Cardano is one that really started a nice uptrend. And this one for me is getting ready to go parabolic, and that parabolic movement is going to cause a lot of FOMO. So you guys, FOMO is a very real thing. It occurs every single time that people get too excited and start buying when the market is too high. It stands for fear of missing out. So if you have a fear of missing out on the trend and prices are really just going crazy up towards these B wave resistance levels, caution yourself, think about it for a minute and think about what might happen because of that movement. I'm bullish, you guys, on across these markets with the altcoins, but you also have to remember that all of these parabolic moves result in corrections. And so to keep that in mind is really important for this move with Cardano because of the fact that that B wave resistance is going to be quite significant. And so don't be surprised if we get up to that B wave resistance and we retrace, but you guys, right now is definitely the time to be thinking like a bull and playing the bullish move and the bullish scenario. This right here is more of a rounded structure as well, and that rounded structure is very nice to be seeing. As we break above these resistance levels, we've pushed right above those ones, so we've got this one and this one now to break above. Those resistance levels are really going to take us quite significantly higher as the momentum, the market orders get released. People that had stops and orders at certain prices, they all get filled, people get liquidated, and that moves the market further. So yeah, Cardano is definitely one that I'm fully expecting more upside movement to come. It's definitely one that's doing nicely today, and I expect that trend to continue. You guys, Chainlink is really blowing me away. Chainlink is one that has really taken off recently, pushed straight up through major resistance levels. It's in a very strong uptrend, and it's broken above this resistance within the first sell-off structure. So that means that the first sell-off is completed, you guys, and with that first sell-off being completed, you can expect a lot of price discovery to come, which means the uptrend will get stronger and stronger, will get more and more parabolic. Yes, you guys, expect consolidation patterns, expect corrective waves along the way up, but just understand that those corrective waves will result in more upside because this trend is really established and developed. So yeah, the volume profile looks nice. The price discovery is already started. There's a V bottom structure right here inside of the market as well, and the first sell-off is completely done with, and those resistance levels are also broken above. So there's a lot of reasons to be bullish on Chainlink. There's a lot of reasons to be bullish on Dogecoin. There's a lot of reasons to be bullish on Cardano. You guys, Bitcoin is definitely another one that I'm personally bullish on. Bitcoin is going to carry the rest of the market, of course. This is the mothership of all the other cryptos, and as we're breaking out with the altcoins, Bitcoin is also starting to break out right here, and there's that kind of bull flag structure. So fully expect more upside as we get above those resistance levels again. and that will ultimately break us above this resistance and this resistance. So the market as a whole looks very, very good. Definitely a time to be a buyer, to be an investor inside of the crypto markets. Definitely a beautiful time to be part of these markets. Super grateful for it, super grateful for all the subscribers, all the support, all the commenters. I really appreciate you guys. It's been so fun to make these videos all through 2020 like this. Expect more content. Donovan will be back soon, so we're going to be able to do the podcast again because he went and traveled back through Utah, and so we really hadn't had time to do the podcast on Saturday. But I thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. I hope that you learned something. I hope you appreciated the knowledge and the analysis on these 3 different coins, including Bitcoin as a nice little bonus at the end. And I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you in future updates. And as always, stay profitable out there.